Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Irene if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a couple tips with you that will help you to be able to preserve your silk press for a lot longer. I know it's silk press season now and everybody's rocking their hair straight. I know I am, and I'm really loving it right now. I'm really feeling the straight hair. It's been a minute. So I'm just going to be sharing some tips with you that has helped me to maintain and preserve my silk press for almost a month now. So if you're interested and want to know what these tips are, then just keep on watching. So I know this is going to sound really crazy because back in the day when my hair was relaxed, what we did back then, and probably a lot of people probably still do now, is wrap their hair. And I haven't wrapped my hair since I got it straightened, because I've noticed that when I'm wrapping my hair constantly, like every night, it makes my hair more oily. My hair is medium to fine density, so it doesn't take a lot for my hair to look weighed down and oily. I guess because the comb is like distributing the natural oils from my scalp down my hair, which is a good thing if my hair is curly, but not necessarily the look I'm going for. Like, I don't want greasy looking stiff hair when my hair is straight, obviously. So instead of wrapping my hair, I started to do pin curls. Basically, I just section my hair off, take like a little 1-inch section, roll it around my fingers, and I either pin it with a bobby pin, like a regular bobby pin, but I mainly use these little duckbill metal clips. I don't know what they're called, but that's what they look like, the little short ones. Usually one pin clip, whatever I'm using, is enough to hold my hair in place, and I just do that on my entire head. And also, if you don't want your hair to be bone straight, like lifeless, I like my hair to have some body. I really need it now that my hair is like finer. And I found that when I'm pin curling my hair, I get like this, some little curl action, volume going on, and I can definitely appreciate that. So if you're looking for body and you don't want your hair to get oily too quick, I would definitely recommend pin curling your entire head instead of wrapping it. If you're anything like me, you probably really like steamy hot showers. Like, it might as well be at boiling point when it comes to my showers. Like, I like my water really hot, but when my hair is straight, I can't have my water or shower as hot as I normally have it. So I kind of keep it on, not lukewarm, a little bit warmer than lukewarm, so that my hair doesn't revert and it doesn't get puffy or whatever, so that I can just maintain my straight style. So if you're someone that likes to take really hot showers, I think for the time being while your hair is straight, you might want to cool it off a little bit, especially if you're trying to preserve your silk press. So what I usually do is, my hair is either in a ponytail or maybe it's already pin curled or whatever, but I always make sure that my edges are wrapped up. And this is just like one of those bath edge towel things that you can use to, like, whatever, you know what I'm talking about. You can find them anywhere. They're super cheap. They're on Amazon for like a couple dollars for a pack of 4. I wrap this around my edges. Oh, this would be cute with a headband, actually. Anyway, yeah, so I wrap this around my head like this. Obviously, I don't have no bangs going on. But then once my edges are protected, I go in with either my do-rag or my silk satin scarf, wrap that on, and then I put my shower cap right on top. And that usually protects my hair from reverting or anything like that. Obviously, we want to keep the edges laid as long as possible. And even when you get out of the shower, you can take off your shower cap or whatever, but I wouldn't immediately take any, like, my head wrap or head tie off yet, because the bathroom is still steamy and that could make your hair puffy too. So keep it on until you're out of the shower and you're in a cooler environment, so that your hair doesn't revert immediately. If you're somebody that likes to exercise often, it's kind of annoying if you're somebody who sweats from their head trying to maintain a silk press and working out. And if you're somebody who sweats excessively, I understand the struggle that you probably are having. I don't really sweat from my head, but whenever I exercise, I always make sure that I have a headband on of some sort that is like tight enough so that, you know, my hair doesn't revert. And I would honestly wrap my hair as well. Like I would wrap my hair with a do-rag, satin scarf, bandana, something. And I would keep that on until my workout is over. I wouldn't recommend taking it off immediately, especially if you're sweating from your head and you can feel like whatever you protected your hair with, like your headband or your headscarf, if you feel like it's damp and you don't want to like sit in that and allow it to like air dry, I understand. But I wouldn't like take it off and don't put anything back on. I would definitely keep your hair wrapped up, maybe take off, you know, the one that is already sweaty, replace it with something that's dry, and keep it on until your body has fully cooled down, until your head is cooled down, because I know a lot of people struggle with like sweating from their head and exercising. So that would be my personal recommendation, is to just make sure that your head is tied up when you exercise. And if whatever you use is sweaty and wet, take that off, replace it with a head tie that is already dry, and keep that on until your body has cooled down. And my last tip is something that I recently just started incorporating into my routine, because I don't know, I just felt like my hair was just getting oily too quickly. And I remember somebody talking about how dry shampoo helped with that. So I was like, let me go to CVS real quick and see what they have, what options they have for dry shampoo. Now, dry shampoo never really occurred to me because I thought it was like not for my kind of hair. But I definitely understand the purpose now, especially now that my hair is straight and I'm trying to maintain that straightness for as long as I can. This is what I've been using. This is the Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Refreshing Dry Shampoo. All I do is shake this up. This was like $3. I got it in the travel size because I don't need a really big one. It's not like my hair is going to be straight forever, so I got a small one. This is 2.5 fluid ounces. And all I do is shake it up and spray it in my hair, like in the roots of my head, and rub it in. It does leave, like, because my hair is basically black, so it does leave my hair looking a little powdery, a little white, but once you rub it in, it goes away completely. Like, I'll show y'all real quick. I'll do it here or something. Sometimes you don't even see it, and I would just like rub it into my roots, and it would like absorb whatever excess oil my hair is producing. And it worked. It kind of like refreshed my roots as well, because they were just getting dry and itchy and I just needed some relief. So I liked how this was like, gave me a kind of cooling effect, made me feel like my hair was fresh again, and I really liked it. So if you've never tried dry shampoo before, I definitely recommend it for preserving your straight style for a while. It just helps to prevent your hair from getting weighed down, looking limp and just old. So yeah, I think this has helped with the longevity of my style. And that is all I have for you guys today. I hope that you found a tip in here that was helpful to you, that will help you to extend and maintain your silk press a lot longer. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. I'll be sure to get to them. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.